How to send one-time view pictures on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to send photos and videos that disappear after being viewed once. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, open the chat you want to send the one-time view photo to. From there, tap on the attachment icon at the bottom left of the screen. At this point, tap on Gallery to choose a photo or video from your device. In the next step, select the photo or video you want to send. From there, let me show you. Look for the one-time view icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a circle with the number 1 inside it. Tap on it to enable one-time view. At this stage, the icon will turn blue, confirming that one-time view is now active for that photo or video. Following this, tap on Send to deliver the message. Once done, the recipient will be able to open and view the photo or video only once. After that, it will disappear automatically and can't be reopened automatically. From here, you'll be able to see in your chat whether the photo has been opened or not. It will show as opened once the recipient has viewed it. At this stage, here's an important note. While one-time view prevents reopening the photo, WhatsApp cannot stop the recipient from taking a screenshot or screen recording, so keep that in mind before sending anything sensitive. And that's it. If this guide helped you send one-time view pictures on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.